Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go hacked account. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go hacked game, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Monopoly Go. When you find this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of errors or problems on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.